Hey people, so like I always do, anytime I come across a nice product or a page on Instagram, I like to speak about it. So there is this page called Label Nika by Nikita that is on Instagram, and I'm part of their WhatsApp group also. And honestly, I've been put in many shopping groups, like I'm a part of quite a few shopping groups, but this is one group that the products are so nice and so reasonable at a very sometimes, like as a customer, right, one can tell whether one is getting a good deal or not. And when you see any product by label Nika, that is by Nikita, it is complete value for money. I wish I had the product with me right now. See, what I'm wearing, this I got from Amazon. But seriously, yeah, there are some pages on Instagram that I would genuinely recommend. This is one of them. So really, label Nika, I feel so happy to be, this is one of the few shopping groups I'm really happy to be a part of because it's such amazing products at such a reasonable price. So do check out label Nika on Instagram because it is such a cute page to follow because the products are so good. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.